Okay, this is the second SOS meditation. One where when you get triggered, you are around others. So you might not have the same space physically and time-wise than you have when you get triggered when you are alone. But is this build onto the other two? The first meditation, which is a daily calm one, to really anchor you into your intention of being grounded, being a calm presence. The second one is how you respond when you have a bit more space and time, or you're by yourself. And this one will build onto the skills that you're developing into the other two, but we'll do it quicker. So let's start there. So you're feeling triggered, reactive. Something has been said, something has been done that is making you feel agitated, and your body and your emotion wants to burst out. So feel your body. You're posing first. You're posing, you're feeling your feet, you're feeling your hands, and feel your breath. Your breath might be fast, it might be not deep, like very shallow, and that's okay. Just feel how it is right now. And as you feel and observe it, look how it changes. And silently just repeat a few words that are going to help you. I am here. I am safe. This will pass. And now just bring your presence in. Bring your presence and some compassion. This is hard. This is activating something in me. Maybe something old, something that is still there. Feel your body and try and relax. If your jaw is clenched, try and relax the jaw. It might help massaging if you can. If you feel your fist clenching, you can put your hands down and start massaging your hand. If you feel your shoulders are high, just bring them down and open. Often when we feel triggered, we close. Try and open your heart. And now bring to mind what is the warmest, calmest version of yourself. What would she say now? How would she respond in this moment? What is your intention? Mine is to be present, brave, and kind. You're present, you're here. You're not running away. You're witnessing your experience and maybe the experience of someone else. You're brave because you don't have to say yes to everything, but also because you're willing to experience what is there. Are you kind? Because you want to bring the calmest, most connected, most loving version of yourself to yourself and to that relationship. So choose a few words that describe your intention. Maybe you can repeat them like a mantra. Strong back, open heart. Or maybe I breathe in calm. I breathe out kindness. Make a mantra that helps you connect back to your body. Feel it. bring your presence and your intention forward. And now return to the situation. Thank you for practicing. On the spot practice is maybe not the easiest one, but you can do it. And if you only get one step every week right, it is still progress. So well done. Thank you.